So welcome back to another video. In this video, we will look into the redistribution. So I will be redistributing OSPF into BGP and BGP into OSPF. So in the previous video, we already configured the loopback and we got this loopback advertised on the route on the Palo Alto. Similarly, we will do one more thing over here. We will configure the loopback on the OSPF router 110.1.1.1/32 and we will get that route in the Palo Alto. So first thing what I will do is that interface loopback 0 IP address will be 110.1.1.1 and no shut router OSPF1 network will be 110.1.1.1 0 area 0 and exit, and that's it. Let's go to the Palo Alto now. So in Palo Alto we will say show routing routes, and you see that we already have that OSPF route up and running. So we got the OSPF over here, which is 110. We got the BGP, which is 111. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to redistribute, and we should get these respective routes on the other routers. So let's go back to the Palo Alto now. So I will go to the network, virtual routers, click on default, go to the redistribution profile. So here I will select OSPF. I will give a name as OSPF, give a priority as 1 or maybe 255, up to you. Select redistribute. I want to redistribute. What is the source? Source will be OSPF. So it's matching. OSPF means OSPF. That's it. Next, I will do the same thing for the BGP. Select BGP, give the priority like 255. Same thing. I want to redistribute and the source will be BGP. Click on OK. So I want to redistribute BGP into OSPF and OSPF into BGP. So let's go to the OSPF first, and we will go to the export rules. Click on OK, and we want to redistribute which protocol? BGP. Keep it as a default. Don't change anything. Click on OK. Go back to BGP now. Again, in the BGP, you have redistribution rules. Click on Add. We want to redistribute what? OSPF. So we select OSPF and I will keep the default values. Click on OK and OK. And I will just say commit and commit. So once the commit is successful, what should I see is that 110 route should be visible on the BGP and 111 route should be visible on the OSPF. So let the commit finish now. All right, so commit is successful. Let's go back to the Palo Alto. So in the Palo Alto, we can check whether the rules have been configured or not. To check that one, we say show routing protocol redistribute. I will say all because I want to see the all routes. And now you can see that from BGP to OSPF, OSPF to BGP, priority is 255 and 255, and it is redistributing. It does says yes. Now let's go back to the OSPF now, and if I say do show IP route, and I should see 111 route, which is an E2 external route coming from the Palo Alto. The same thing if I go to the BGP do show IP route, I should see 110 route coming from the Palo Alto, that is 192.168.100.1. Alright, so redistribution is successful. The only thing is that if I try to ping 111.1.1.1 with source loopback 0, I'm not able to ping, and the reason is that I don't have a policy in place which is blocking the connection. Alright, but anyhow, we did the redistribution and it is successful. I hope this was informative for you, and thank you.